Hey, hi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum.
Today, Mama Fagina, now we are sitting on the bank of the pond. The environment of here is very good, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Now I will ask some question to my nephew, my Bhagina, alhamdulillah. So, Mama, how do you feel here?
I feel good.
Mashallah, feel good. What class do you read?
Earning HS.
Age means?
Arasna Islamic School.
Oh, mashallah. You say something about your school.
The name of my school is HS. It is situated at Petrosin Thakurgaon, Daran, Manashiran, and
Mashallah.
Peters. It established in 2011. I go to school. I love my school very much.
Mashallah, mashallah, yeah, mashallah. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
9 years old, yeah, mashallah. You say something about your family.
My family is a strong family. There are 4 members in our family. They are parents, little brother, and me. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a homemaker. She loves me very much. I also love them.
Mashallah, mashallah. I'm very happy, alhamdulillah, to hear your answer, mashallah. Now you will say about your village.
My village, Poshtim Raghunathpur, Mastermur.
Yeah, mashallah, mashallah. What's your father's name?
My father name is Joshimuddin.
Joshimuddin, yeah, right. You're Easter mother, right? Like me, I was Easter mother when I was child. Mama, when do you get up in the morning?
I get up early in the morning and perform Fajr Salah.
Mashallah.
I wash my face every day. Then I have breakfast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. I prepare my lunch. Then I go to school daily.
Mashallah, mashallah. So, Mama, alhamdulillah, I know you're studying in madrasa. Mashallah. Do you know Arabic?
I know.
Mashallah. So you describe yourself in Arabic.
Ismi Maun, Ismi Abi Joshimuddin, Ismu Ummi Munira Akhtar, Ismu Korati Raghunathpur, Ismu Madrasati Arasna Islamic School, Abdul Sufis Asani.
Mashallah, mashallah, alhamdulillah. I'm happy, alhamdulillah. I'm very glad to hear. Mama, my last question to you. Why can't you look at camera?
I can't look at camera for Sunny.
Sunny, oh, mashallah, mashallah. Thank you very much. May Allah bless you, alhamdulillah. May Allah give you the best prize, dunya and akhirah, and grant you Jannah, mashallah. Salam dao, Mama, salam dao.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.